Hi everyone, this is lesson 9 sprite movement bubble 11 fish animation. Here they want us to use the counter pattern to make all 3 of the fish move as the image is in the right. The blue fish should move the fastest, the green fish should move the slowest. So that's going to be key as well. So let's run the program and see first what we have here. So currently we run the program, the orange fish is moving. So it is moving from right to left. So think about if we're getting, our x value is getting smaller every time it goes through the draw function, we have to subtract. So it goes from, let's see, if we look at orange fish, it goes from 400 and it gets smaller and smaller and smaller every time it runs through this function right here. And that's why it's going from right to left and moving across the screen. However, they now want us to move the blue fish and the green fish. So I'm just going to move the blue fish. So I need a variable here. And I'm just going to grab this. And I'm going to put it under here. And I'm going to say blue fish. So make sure you're spelling it the correct way. You'll notice that blue and capital F for fish, the way they do it, dot X. So we're not dealing with moving it up and down. We're mostly dealing with it moving from right to left. Okay. And then we're going to need a subtraction, just like the orange fish. And in the first bubble here, I need blue fish again. So I need to call upon the variable blue fish. Make sure I spell it right. That x, again, we're just dealing with the x value. And we're subtracting. And here they want our blue fish to move faster, definitely than our orange fish. And right now our orange fish is subtracting every time by 2. So if we wanted to go faster, subtract more every time it redraws it, we just need a larger number than 2. So I'm going to put, like, let's say 7. And I'm going to reset and run this to make sure I don't have any mistakes. Perfect. So if I rerun it again, you'll notice that my blue fish is definitely moving faster than my orange fish, and they're both moving right to left. Okay, now we are going to focus on the green fish. So again, I need to go back to my variables, and I can pick this equal 1 right here. And I'm going to deal with the green fish. So I just need to make sure I spell green fish correct. Green, capital F for fish. Dot X, again, I'm working with the X value. And I'm moving it from right to left. So I'm subtracting from the X value every time I draw. All right, so we're dealing with the green fish. So in this first bubble, I do green fish, dot X. And they said now they want the green fish to move the slowest. Well, it looks like the orange fish is moving 2 pixels speed. So it's subtracting 2 pixels every time it's going through. The blue fish is subtracting 7 pixels every time it draws. So every time it goes through the draw function. So I need something less than 2, which could be 1. So again, the draw function, this stuff up here sets up my fish. The draw function is what's actually moving my sprite. It's moving the location. Every time it draws the fish, it's putting the background layer, the navy background layer down so I can't see the old fish. Then it's drawing each fish in a different X position every time it goes through. Okay, so I'm going to reset and run. And there we go. It looks like my green fish is moving the slowest, barely though, only by 1 pixel compared to the orange. The blue fish is moving faster. So you guys can play around with this, but this is generally what they're looking for. When you're talking about moving it left to right or right to left, you're dealing with the X values. When you're talking about moving it up and down, you're dealing with the Y values. And that is bubble 11.